Atong ang almost caught. Sabi ng DILG ship natin. Ay nako. Ang ganda ng article no? Ito yung article mula sa Philstar Global. Fugitive tycoon Atong Ang was almost caught on the morning of Thursday, April 9. Sabi yan ni DILG Secretary John B. Cremulya. Ano? Para saan tong article na to na almost caught? Diba? Ewan ko dito kay Remulla. In an interview with One News, Remulla said there was an eyeball sighting of Ang in the country but authorities were a day too late. Ang bagal nyo kasi, yun lang yun. So, ano tawag dito? Basta, pangit. Ito sabi ni Remulla, hindi namin naabutan but meron kaming actual eyeball report na nakita siya rito. Diba? Ano ngayon? May nakakita, hindi nyo hinuli within the day. May business days yung paghuli. Anyway, Remulla also said that based on the eyeball report, he believes Ang is still in the Philippines. So, dahil nga dun sa report na yon, nasa Pilipinas pa rin daw si Atong Ang. Okay, so sinasabi lang dito na confirm na nandito pa rin siya. On April 7, Remulla said the government was confirming whether Ang was in Vietnam. It was initially speculated that he was in Cambodia. Meanwhile, Philstar.com asked the Bureau of Immigration if it had flagged any records of Ang departing the country. And ayon naman sa immigration spokesperson Dana Sandoval, wala naman daw silang information na nakuha na lumipad nga itong si Atong Ang. Since courts in Region 4A issued warrants of arrest against him in January and February, Ang has been in hiding, prompting the government to offer, yan laki na nung bounty 20 million for his capture, di ba? Pili ka ngayon kung gusto mo maging Los Sabongero o Los Sumbongero. He is being sought by the courts due to his alleged involvement in the case of the missing Sabongeros who have been missing since 2021. Ang is facing charges of alleged kidnapping with homicide as well as kidnapping and serious illegal detention, di ba? Meron po tayong 3 cases dito ng kung walang kasalanan, bakit nagtatago? Ito na, una si Atong Ang, pangalawa si De La Rosa. Na wala pa naman nilalabas na warrant of arrest. Tatago na agad, di pumapasok hayop na yan. At syempre yung isa si Harry Roque. Actually, 4 pala sila, si Zaldi ko pa pala. O 4 sila. So ano mo masasabi niyan dito na almost caught daw nitong DILG. Ito parang itong news na ito parang pampabango lang ni John B. Cremulya. Ewan ko kung bakit need pang i-report na almost. Ba't di nyo hinuli agad? Puro kayo pasikat, hayop na yan. Ano masasabi niyo dito mga kaibigan? Comment down below.